I'm not talking about wrinkles, all these freckles on my
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I haven't done like a favorites video in months, I want to say. I don't remember the last time I truly sat down to talk about like my favorites. So January, I wasn't loving like too many things, but I was loving like newer things. So I wanted to like talk to you about them. There's only like a handful of things, so like nothing crazy and like overwhelming. So I'm really excited to share these items with you, products. I don't know what I was trying to say, but yeah, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first item is a skincare item. This is from the Inkey list. This is their hyaluronic acid. I bought this off of a TikToker's recommendation. If I can find him, I will link him down below. But it's kind of like Hiram, like he's in like that type of community where he's like a skincare person. He's a guru, like a skincare guru. So I have been using the, what is that one? The Ordinaries for like months and months and months, and I do love it. But it is like kind of sticky, and when I was watching his TikTok, he was saying how he likes the hyaluronic acid not to be sticky, and that's why he loves this one. So I went and I purchased this one, and I love this one because it absorbs right into your skin with giving you the hydration that you need and not leaving your skin like kind of tacky like the Ordinary one does. And this was like $5, so I think it's like a little bit cheaper than the Ordinary ones, but I really do like it. I use it like probably like 4 to 5 times a week. Like I use it today, like before I put on my makeup and stuff, just to kind of like give myself like some hydration. And I've been truly enjoying this. So definitely check that out if you need a good hyaluronic acid. This is another skincare item. This is from Belif. This is their moisturizing eye balm. I didn't have a good eye cream. Like I wasn't using anything that was really hydrating. I was using the CeraVe one. That one was good. It was super lightweight and used to absorb like really, does absorb really quickly into my skin, but I wanted something for like overnight that's gonna like really hydrate my eyes with like giving me some brightness and some elasticity. So I have used this in the past, and I was like, you know what, let me purchase this. It was in like a little like clearance like Christmas like gift set, so I was like, let me get it since it's super small, and I love it. It gives my eyes like so much hydration. I was having a little bit of like a dry patch on one of my eyelids, and once I started using this, it was completely gone within a few nights, and I do believe that it's because of this that it's gone. So I truly have been enjoying it. If you do need a good moisturizing like eye cream, definitely check this one out from Belif. I love it. The full size is a little pricey. I think it's like $48, so definitely up there in the price, but I love it for what it's done for my under eyes. It's made them super smooth and just hydrated, and love this so much. Sticking with hydration, I have been loving this body cream. I spoke about it in my body cream collections video, but I haven't like gone into like detail about it. This is from Soap and Glory. This is the Righteous Butter. So I bought this about a month ago. I think I got it like right before Christmas. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like that, and you guys, this is the most hydrating, beautiful smelling like after shower like body butter like in the entire universe. I have a lot of body creams and lotions, as you probably saw in that video, and this one is probably my favorite when it comes to like once I get out of the shower. This is the one that I love to freaking use. It just makes me feel like super clean. It has a really like clean like smell. Like it's super, like it's fragrancy, but it has a really nice like clean, like just fresh smell, and I love that. And I love how it makes my skin feel. It makes me like super soft, and I love especially like, you know, that feeling like right after you shave your legs, like when your legs are super soft. Put this on after, and your legs are going to be like frigging silk. Like I promise you. I love this so much, and I've gone through a pretty decent amount of it. I use it probably like 3 to 4, no, probably like 5-6 times a week. There's like that one night where I switch it out with something else, but for the most part I am using this, and I love it, especially in these drier months in New York and these cold months. You need something to keep your skin from getting cracked, and that is it for me. Makeup, I quickly want to talk about this highlight. It's actually, I'm not wearing it today, but I do wear it like every single day to work for the most part. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is the After Sex Glow Blush Highlighter Hello Halo thing. So it's kind of like one of those duo things, and honestly, the main color that I do use, you can probably like tell, is this one right here. I love this one. I love it for a highlight, and I will use this kind of like a blush topper if I feel like I need to. but this is become like my everyday highlighter. If I need like a little bit of a glow to kind of like peek through my mask at work, I will use this, and I will put a little bit on my forehead and be good to go. And I love using this one as an eyeshadow as well. I will go into details on that in a different video, but this is a great highlighter. I mean, I feel like it's a known thing, Wet n Wild kind of like crushes it when it comes to their highlighters, so no surprise there on this one being bomb. So definitely check this one out if you had your eye on it, and it's like $4, so you're not really losing out on anything. It's a great highlighter. I want to talk about the foundation that I'm wearing on my skin right now. I did do a like full first impressions of this one, not full, but I did, oh my god, I'm knocking everything over. But I did do a video on this foundation along with other like drugstore products. This is the NYX Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. You guys, I love this. I didn't think that I would like it because it wasn't like really like heavy coverage, but I'm wearing it now, and I mixed a little bit, like when I mean this much of like another foundation with it, and this is what it's looking like, and I think it looks beautiful and amazing. And for, I think it was $11 for $11. I don't think you can go wrong with it. It is a beautiful skin tint, and it's super lightweight, gives you like nice natural coverage if that's what you're going for, because that's what I'm going for these days, like naturaler, I don't think that's a word, but more natural foundations, and I love this so much. I think it is a great drugstore skin tint, so definitely check it out. Sticking with skin, I do quickly want to talk about this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I just think that's all it's called, Hollywood Flawless Filter. I got the miniature version of this from Sephora. I've been wanting to try this since they came out with it, but I didn't want to pay that hefty price for it. So when they finally came out with like the travel size, I was like, yes, that's more like my price range, my style. So I picked it up, and I've been loving it. I use it every single day. I did use it under my makeup today. You definitely can't tell because I have powder on and stuff, but I love this. It's so good, especially on those no makeup days. Like if you want just like a nice glow with like no coverage, but like a little bit of coverage, this is definitely it. I love it so much, and I will go in a different video on like a little bit more depth on how I use it, because I have a whole video planned for some of these products that I want to share with you guys, so I will go into details on that in a different video. But up next is the concealer that I'm wearing. A lot of the stuff that I'm talking about I did speak about in my full face of drugstore videos, so obviously I am loving most of it. This is the concealer that I'm wearing right now on my under eyes, and this is an old favorite. Like I used to love this like years ago, but I wanted to talk to you guys about it really quick because it's just become another just good concealer, and I wear it every single day. It's what I have on my under eyes right now, and it just gives me like a beautiful, flawless, like not really no makeup look, but it just gives me like full coverage without looking like heavy or cakey. As you can see, my under eyes look pretty smooth, and this concealer is like $6, and you can get it at Target or Ulta, and I just think it's so worth it. The last product is another product that I did speak about in my full face of drugstore makeup video. I honestly didn't think I would like this, and then I started using it like more and more, and I have just fallen in love with it, and they think it's like a perfect everyday powder. This is from Wet n Wild. This is their Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. It is the setting powder that I used on my under eyes today, and you can definitely tell that it is not drying. It doesn't make your under eyes look cakey, and using it with the Makeup Revolution concealers really just gives a beautiful, flawless look, which I mean, I feel like we're all going for, you know? And it's affordable too, which is another like bonus. So I really do like this. It's great for every day. I do use it to set like my T-zone and stuff, but I'm really like shocked at how great it makes my under eyes look. Like as you guys can just tell, they just look so flawless and just so like smooth and airbrush, and I love that. So I think this was maybe like $6 or $7, so definitely not a really expensive powder. Obviously it's Wet n Wild, but this is in the shade Translucent. I'm not sure if they have other shades. I think that they might have like a deeper shade, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is a great drugstore loose setting powder, so if you needed one, definitely check this one out. I think it's great. So that completes this January makeup favorites video. Like I said, I didn't have too many things, but I did definitely want to share these products with you guys and tell you why I love them. So yes, that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!